Welcome to all of you. So today we are addressing this order of operations. Let us see why it is needed. I will explain BODMAS rule, and that too it has to be operated from left to right. This BODMAS rule means brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Then after that, in class 9th and 10th, we have the chapter arithmetic progressions. These are the simplifications taken from that chapter. So first I will explain what is the need of this order. Then I will show one or two problems. Then remaining problems you can work out at your home. Then afterwards, when I teach this arithmetic progressions chapter, then these simplifications will help you. Now let us see one problem. Suppose I have 3 plus 5 into 2. Suppose I like additions. I will add these two. Then this becomes 3 plus 5 is 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. There is nothing wrong in this problem. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 into 2 is 16. Suppose you don't like addition, you like multiplication. The same problem, 3 plus 5 into 2. Suppose you say that you like multiplication, then you will multiply these two. 3 plus 5 into 2 is 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. There is no mistake here. Multiplication he has done correctly. 5 into 2 is 10 and 3 plus 10 is 13. No mistake. Then here also no mistake. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 into 2 is 16. For the same problem is same. 3 plus 5 into 2. 3 plus 5 into 2. For the same problem, we are getting two different answers. Now, which is right? So, for a same problem, you get different answers. It is very confusing in mathematics. That is why we have framed certain rules. They are called order of operations. We have to follow a particular order. This order is decided by this rule, BODMAS rule, from left to right. What this rule says? Multiplication, addition. Multiplication comes first. After that, addition. So in this order, first we have to do the multiplication, that is 5 into 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. So this is the right answer and this is the wrong answer. Addition comes after multiplication. That is why this is very essential to remember this rule. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, why this left to right? That also you see. Suppose I have 8 minus 5 plus 2. Now, what is this rule says? Addition and subtraction. So addition is coming first, right? So if I follow this rule, addition is coming first, then subtraction. If I apply that rule, this becomes 8 minus, I add these two. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. But this is wrong answer. Suppose if I do like this, if I take subtraction first, then 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Here we have to follow this rule also, left to right. Left to right. If you observe closely, these are the integers. This is a negative integer 5. These are the positive integers. First we add these two. 8 plus 2 minus 5. The same problem you see here. I have separated. This minus 5 is the negative integer, plus 8 and plus 2 are the positive integers. 8 and 2 I group in one form. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. So this is the way to do it. To solve such problems, so this order is very essential, left to right. Then what is this brackets of multiplication? The same problem you take. 3 plus 5 into 2. Suppose if I put a bracket here, then you cannot multiply. 5 into 2 you should not do it. First we have to address, we have to open the parenthesis, we have to open the bracket. So in this bracket you see 3 plus 5 we will do. So this is, first we will simplify within the bracket. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Then once you solve the parenthesis, once you simplify what is there within the bracket, then you need not put the brackets in 2 and this answer becomes 16. So whenever you have brackets, first you have to solve the bracket, then apply the BODMAS rule. So dear children, whenever you have brackets, first you have to simplify within the bracket, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, and follow the rule from left to right. Here you see we have the subtraction and addition. If you think that addition is first, then subtraction is coming, I add these two and then subtract, you go wrong. So you have to follow that rule, left to right. Whenever you have any confusion like this, subtraction also has come, addition also has come, then you have to follow left to right. So first we will solve this subtraction, then we will solve this addition. 8 minus 5 is 3, then. So this is wrong and this is right. Now let us see these problems. Suppose I will work out the first problem. First problem I am taking 20 by 2. Now in this problem, if you want to apply this BODMAS rule, first we will simplify what is there within the bracket. So 20 minus 1, that is 19. So 2 into 1 is 2, plus within the bracket, that is 19 into 3. So which is equal to, then 20 by 2 is 10. Then here addition and multiplication both have come. So when this, if you add 2 and 19 and write this as 21 and multiply with 3, that is wrong. You have to follow this order, brackets of division and multiplication. Whenever division and multiplication comes, that is to be solved first. So 19 3s are, so 10 3s 30, 9 3s are 27, 30 plus 27, 57. 2 plus 57. And this is 10 into, now within the bracket, 57 plus 2 is 59. Now when you simplify this bracket, then you need not put this bracket symbol. So 59 into 10, this is 590. So this is the answer. So here we have applied the BODMAS rule. Brackets of, brackets we have simplified this bracket, then we have not put the bracket. 20 minus 1 is 19, we have put here. Then multiplication we have done first, then addition. Okay, if you do addition first and then multiplication, you go wrong. So multiplication first, because of this rule, multiplication is first, then comes addition. Then we have added these two, again simplified within the bracket. 59 into 10, this is 590. Okay, let us look at one more problem. Which problem we can take? Let us take the 9th problem. What is that ninth problem? 7 by 2 into 2 into 550. So this simplification you can do, and here bracket you can simplify and write the same thing. So mental calculations you can practice. This is 550 2 times. Suppose you have 550 rupees. 2 times your mother has given 550, your father has given 550. How much will be the total? 500 plus 500 is 1000. 50 plus 50 is 100. So this will become 1100. 1100. Then 7 minus 1 is 6. Plus 6 into 25. Always try to develop your thinking. So 6 into 25. 25 NP coins you take, say 25 rupees. 4 25s is 100. 2 25s is 50. Now we have 6 25s. So this is 100 plus 50, 150. 7 by 2, 1100 plus 150. Now this is here. Always do the calculations vertically. Don't do it horizontally. Because what happens if I write is equal to here, go on like that. In the examination, when the examiner see, only this part he will see. He will not see that other part. So this is equal to 7 by 2. So 1100 plus 150. So this is 1250. 7 into divide by 2. If you divide 1250 by 2, if you divide 1200 by 2, 600, 50 by 2, 25, 625. So now is multiplied with 7. So 7 5s are ordinary usual multiplication you can do. So 625 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14 plus 3. 17. 7 4s are 7 6s are 42 plus 1 43. 4375. So dear children, I will sum up once again. What is this BODMAS rule? Why the order of operations is needed? Why it is needed? Suppose you look at the same problem. The person who likes addition, he may do it like that. The person who likes multiplication may do it like that. For the same problem, we are getting 2 different answers. So if you get 2 different answers for the same problem in mathematics, it creates a lot of confusion. That is why certain rules are framed and all are following the same rules. That is why an order is followed in while doing the operations. It is called order of operations. This order is multiplication comes first, then addition comes first. Then to remember this, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, in short form it is written as BODMAS rule. Even while applying BODMAS rule, you have to apply it from left to right. You look at one example. Here suppose you see 8 minus 5 plus 2. If you apply this rule blindly, addition comes first, then subtraction, then you go wrong. Here you have to apply from left to right. First you have to subtract, it becomes 3 plus 2, 5. Why it is done like this? You can see this is negative integer, these are the 2 positive integers. These 2 positive integers we add them, it becomes 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. Then these are the various simplification problems. In the chapter arithmetic progression, I have shown 2 problems. Okay, remaining problems you work out and become strong in simplifications. Then in the next class, when I take up the literal problems in arithmetic progressions, these simplifications will help you. Thank you very much for watching this video.